What is up, guys? Look what I got. Dairy Queen pumpkin pie blizzard. Sweet. So let's check this thing out. My dog's over here raising hell. Where's he at? Look at him. What the hell is he doing? I don't know. His name's Gizmo. Norwegian elk. Anyways, let's check this face back to this blizzard. Let's check this thing out. What? That thing is bomb. Yeah. I'm digging it. Oh man, look, I'm poor. I don't have a camera or a cell phone. So, I'm sorry. I don't have a camera or a laptop, so I'm gonna do these videos like this. Whatever. Yeah, man. This is bomb. Get to Dairy Queen. Get yourself a pumpkin pie blizzard from Dairy Queen. That shit's pretty good. It is bomb. I suggest. My wife says something about white girl stuff. This is white girl stuff. What the hell does that mean? I don't know what the hell that means. What the fuck is he on about? Alright. That's my review. That pumpkin shit's pretty good. Alright, guys. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, whatever. I have nothing else to do with my life. I need something to keep me content. Alright. Peace out.